If you have an MX-5 and you use it on track with bucket seat, you're probably hitting your elbow
Right here. Annoying, right?
Well, if you have the same problem or you just want to make the car a little bit more racing, I have the solution for you. Usually I'm not a fan of drastic changes. I like the original look of the car, but this one I wanted to do it since a long time. Oh. But this mod, I've been thinking about a long time. The problem is I couldn't find anything because some parts are too expensive. Some requires to drill holes on the door and that's a strong no for me. But finally, I found the perfect one. Let's see what's inside. These are replacement door cards from AGR Fabrication. No need to cut anything, no need to drill holes on the door, and you can even customize them. Strap color, speaker cutout. Maybe it's better if I show you on the website directly. Here we are in the website of AGR Fabrications, and these are my door cards. You can choose the door pull strap color. You can choose if you want the speaker cutout, aluminum or powder coated. I choose the racing one, no motorsport use. And for €139, I think they are the cheapest on the market. But if you are a little bit more fashion, maybe you want leather or Alcantara covered door cards, which you can choose the stitching. You can choose again the speaker covers and the door strap colors. And you can also write to AGR Fabrication directly for any special requirements. By the way, AGR is also one of the sponsors of the MX-5 NorCap expedition. Thanks, AGR Fabrication, and now let's install them. The door is ready to be installed, so let's do it. Before doing that, you see these little brackets, you need to install 3 little clips there. Let's also install the red strap. So how does this work? So half of this part is threaded. So when you will screw the bolt in, this is flexible and will expand and lock into position here. So at the beginning, they will be a little bit loose, But once you tighten them, they will lock in position. Yes, I did a little mistake. These are to mount directly on the door. Now I can easily click these little clips inside the speaker holes. I think it looks awesome. And the best part is, if I get tired of it, I can just swap the original door card back. Now I just have to do the driver's side and I'm done. So there's finally space. I don't hit my elbow anymore. And it feels like there's even more space in the cabin. The impressive thing, and something I was scared of, it was about the rattling. But there's no rattling at all. And that's thanks to those little plastic inserts. That is also what is holding the door in position. They are making a great job isolating the door card from the rest of the door, or the door frame. So there's no rattling, there's no vibration here, and I'm really pleased about that. So that's it. If you want to give your Miata a racing look, or if you have the same problem as mine with hitting your elbow on the armrest, I would say go for it. And if you want to see how this door card holds up at 8,000 kilometers driving through the Arctic this winter, well, you just need to follow. Yes, because we are bringing this car to NorCap, and during winter. Thank you so much, AGR Fabrication, for supporting the trip. Thank you for this fantastic door, and I would say give it a look. And if you came up to this point, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. I'm back. Basta video, basta.